Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Cook with Mrs. Umami. In this video, I'm going to bake the banana sponge cake. Let's get started. I use self-rising flour, a little salt, baking powder, then sift them together and set aside. Prepare some softened unsalted butter. Add some sugar to the unsalted butter. Muscovado sugar. Mix them well until the texture is creamy. Mash 3 ripe bananas. Add the mashed banana to the mixing bowl. Zest from 1 lemon. Dry milk. Add chopped walnut and keep half for later. Preheat the oven at 350 Fahrenheit. This is a 4 eggs recipe. Add 1 egg at a time with a spoon of flour we sifted before. Then add the remaining flour. Mix them well until no loose flour in the bowl. Transfer the cake batter to the baking tin. Sprinkle the remaining walnut on top. First, loosely cover with foil and bake it for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, lower the temperature to 325 Fahrenheit. Remove the foil. And bake it for another 30 to 35 minutes. After 30 minutes, the stick comes out dry, meaning it's ready. Let's do the calculation. This is the price list of all my ingredients. So this banana sponge cake cost me just over $8. I'm going to enjoy my banana sponge cake with a cup of tea. Thanks for watching my video.